Jason, you're so hit. Hit. Jason, I shot you. You ran. Zach, the game's already over. The ducky. Bye, duckies. One, go. Best to come with you. No, good, we're good. Grace period over! Okay, let's go, Bassy. Yeah. There he is. Motherfucker. No. Jason, team. He said no. Should we just come and say? You do it. Oh, we'll use him for like a minute, then we'll go. Okay, come on, let's go. That's fine. It'll make it easier for us to kill them. We just got. Two of them. Percy. Got two of, I think I got three of them. Who's still alive? Come on, man, call it. Dude, Jason is so dead. Bertie, I can see Zach and Jason. I can see Zach and Jason. No idea. But I'm gonna light Jason up. I got Ollie. Ollie. Where's Jason? Bertie, cover me. There's someone up there. There! Zach. Right there, his head just poked out right there. See him? See that tree? Okay, actually, you might have to cover fire. See him? See him? God, freaking rebounds on these trees. It just hit the tree again and hit me. Go, walk out now. Oh, what the fuck? Why are we not hitting him? Oh, fuck, where's him? Right. Kind of in line with me. He's quite low. Black mask. I hit him. Zach, yeah, got him. Shit, watch our left. There's another one over there. There we go. I don't know if that's Massey or Jason. I think it might be Massey. Is that Massey? No, Zach. Is that Massey right there? There he is. You see him? We need a bit of suppressing fire. Put it on, maybe do semi-suppressing fire. Can you still see him? We need to get closer so we can actually like hit him loads. Otherwise it won't hurt. Is that him or is that Zach? That's him. Shit. Move. Run. Did I hit you? Did we hit you? Jason! Cool! Jason, you have a good hit! Oh, sorry, I didn't realise that he had called hit.
Goggles off.
Guns on safety. Jason, I hit you across the pond. I could see the shots bounce off you.
No, they didn't hit me. No.
I